Hello everyone! On this channel, we make math easy and enjoyable to understand. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing and essential math topic, the geometric sequence. First, let me define a geometric sequence, which is a sequence of numbers in which each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the previous term by a fixed, non-zero number called the common ratio. In a geometric sequence where the terms are represented by a1, a2, a3, a4, and so on up to an, each term is found by multiplying the previous term by a constant value known as the common ratio. To illustrate the general idea, I'll write down a few terms in terms of the first term and the common ratio. We can see that a2 is 1 step away from a1, a3 is 2 steps away, and a4 is 3 steps away. However, we can't directly count how many steps an is away from a1. To get the general idea, I'll rewrite the number of steps in terms of the position of the terms in the sequence. Now, pay attention to the exponent of the common ratio. It can be written as the difference between the position of the term and the first term. For example, the fourth term, a4, can be calculated by multiplying the first term, a1, by the common ratio raised to the power of 4 minus 1. From this observation, we can derive the general term using this approach. As a result, the general term of the sequence, denoted as an, can be expressed as a1 times r to power of n minus 1. This formula allows you to find any term in the sequence. Example, consider the geometric sequence 3, 6, and 12. Determine the common difference. Given the first three terms of the sequence as 3, 6, and 12, you can observe that each term is obtained by multiplying the previous term by the common ratio. This means that a2 equals to a1 times common ratio r. From the other part, we can say that a3 equals to a2 times r. By substituting the known numbers into the equation, we can easily determine the common ratio. Now, let's move on to part B of the question. What is the sixth term? To find any term in the sequence, we use the general term formula. The sixth term means n equals 6, the first term is 3, and the common ratio was just found to be 2. So we can substitute these values into the formula to find the sixth term of the geometric sequence, which is 96. To figure out general terms in terms of n, again, we need to use the general formula. Once again, we'll make the substitution with a1 equals 3 and r equals 2. Then, we'll obtain the general term of the geometric sequence as 3 times r to power of n minus 1. Today, we learned about the relationship between two consecutive terms in a geometric sequence, explored where the general formula comes from, and discussed how to use it effectively. I hope you liked the lesson. To make perfect, I recommend you watch solving question videos as well.